Understanding, bring about change. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase that you might have heard quite often: bring about change. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding a new expression to your vocabulary. It's about grasping a concept that is widely used in both formal and informal English. So, let's explore what it means to bring about change, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you master it. Stay with us to enhance your English understanding. The phrase, bring about change, is a powerful expression used to describe the act of causing a difference or transformation in a situation, person, or environment. To bring about means to cause something to happen, and change refers to making something different from what it was before. So, when combined, this phrase emphasizes the initiation or facilitation of a shift from one state to another. It's important to note that this change can be in any context, like social, personal, technological, or environmental. Using the phrase, bring about change, is fairly straightforward but requires understanding its context and impact. Here are some tips. Use it in active sentences. While discussing actions that aim to alter situations or conditions, you can use this phrase to highlight the intention or effect of these actions. Applicable in various contexts. Whether talking about small personal goals or large-scale social reforms, bring about change fits perfectly to express the process of making a difference. Combine with specific subjects. Identify what or who is causing the change and what aspect is being changed for a clear and impactful statement. To help you get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. 1. Activists are working hard to bring about change in environmental policies. 2. The new CEO aims to bring about significant change in the company's culture. 3. Technological innovations have brought about change in the way we communicate. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe efforts and impacts across different areas of life. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to bring about change, and how you can use it in your own English conversations and writings. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words but understanding the context and the culture behind them. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try using this phrase in your sentences. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing about a change in your English learning journey.